Good day. Today we're going to be unboxing the Wireless Go compact microphone system from Rode. This is a brand new microphone system. It's very compact, comprises a transmitter and a receiver. Both include a lithium-ion battery, so there won't be any running out to buy new batteries in time. Each charge should give you about 7 hours. And today I'm actually recording the audio with the mic on top of the camera, and just as a backup I'm using the iPhone here. But once these have been charged up, I'll plug one on and compare. So let's see if we can get into this box.
Or sharp fingernails to try to get through. There. Hopefully that does the trick.
And the quick start guide is just printed on the box. And I'll probably come back to that later. Then we've got over here the transmitter and the receiver. Actually, to me they look pretty much identical. So here we've got a USB-C cable to USB-A, and we've got a camera cable to go from the microphone, the receiver, to the camera, and some crystals. We've got one, all these things dead cats, fluffy, and there we've got another fluffy, and we've got a little safety guide, and we'll keep on going up end of the box. Here we've got a neat little Rode pouch which we will presumably use to fit all of these in. And over here we have one more. There we go. One more USB-C to A cable. So it's just a question of bringing these ones up. And as you can see, they've each got a clip. Here we've got the clip, which is designed to either slide onto one's clothing or just onto the hot shoe on top of a camera. So there's the small microphone there, and USB port. Sync button on off, and then over here we've got the receiver, which has got the port for the microphone cable to the camera cable, obviously a USB port to charge, and we've got a decibel choice, so we can choose volume levels, and we've got on-off sync. There we go. Let's get back to charging them, and then we'll see how they go. Okay, well, welcome back. This is seriously amazing. I've been using it in a couple of different situations. I've walked around the house, stretched its range a little bit, haven't been able to run it out of range. The setup was actually just so simple. It was a question of just charging it, and once charged, just holding down the one button on each for 3 seconds, and then they were paired. There was no need to do anything else, not even the first time. I understand that you can use them in a crowded environment where there would be others, and they would just not clash with each other. They work within a free spectrum as well, so you can use them anywhere in the world. Always just going to slide the hot shoe clip into the makeshift hot shoe on my tripod. So there we go. Okay, so now I've mounted the Boya BY-MM1 on top of the tripod, and I've attached to that the Rode Wireless Go. And so we're actually talking through the Boya BY-MM1 into the Wireless Go, and then that's wirelessly connected to the camera. And so let's see what that sounds like. Thanks for watching.